Hello everyone, this is Coach Comeback PJ Holland. It is February 8th at 1 p.m. This is just the start of Superstorm or Blizzard Nemo coming here from New York. It's just getting started. Apparently it's going to be going for another 24 hours till tomorrow. They're expecting 2 feet. And I am just getting dressed to go get some New York pizza. I want to get last slice of pizza before they shut everything down, and we are going to walk because it's right down the street and we love it so much, and haven't shoveled the car out yet and buried it out, so we're going to get the car parked in, go grab some pizza, and cuddle up for the weekend. So I don't know if all of you guys haven't met my other half of my family yet. Here is Milo. That's my little poodle Milo right there, who's gonna join us. And of course you guys all know my CC that's in all the pictures and everything, but just wanted to let you guys know I'm okay so far, and I may report back later. Thanks. Hello, Coach Comeback here, giving you an update on Hurricane or Blizzard Winter Storm Nemo. This is 24 hours later, and I could barely open the door. I'm just sticking my head out because you can see I can't get the door open because it's at least 2 feet back here on the back patio. I was going to show the front, but this is what I showed yesterday, so it kind of give you an idea how high it came. I don't know if you can see the snow stacked higher than the car, but just yesterday there was no snow at all. All of it had melted off, and okay, that's enough. It's blowing into the house off of the trees, and then I'm cold.